Guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an e-portfolio on Wix.com. Let's get started. So e-portfolio is only an online portfolio and you can use and create that on Wix. So to do that, just head over to manage.wix.com/account/websites. And in here, you can see all the sites that you have. So as you can see right here, I have already created a portfolio, but for this sake, I will create a new site. So click on create new site right here. Then once you have done that, it will open the free website builder. And in this free website builder, you can set up with AI or without AI. So you can just choose whatever you want. For me, I'll set up without AI. Now, once I have clicked on that, I will just head over and ask or answer some questions. So for me, I will use a portfolio template since I will be using this as my e-portfolio. You can always specify what kind of portfolio you're gonna do. It can be genres portfolio, film portfolio, or anything. So for me, I will choose a journalist portfolio right here. After that, click on next. And then in here, you can put in the name of your portfolio. So for example, let's put in paparazzi Tiara. And then after that, click on next. And then once you have done that, we can add in some integrations in your website like blogs, video, and chat. So for me, I'll just add in chat right here. And then, for example, I will also add in portfolio. After that, click on next. And then once I have done that, it will open and start setting up with this. You can begin with a template or you can get a custom built site for you. So for me, I'll just choose a custom built site. In that way, I don't need to input all of the information that I have given them. So I'll click on this one. Then after I click on this one, this will load the Wix and this will actually create my portfolio. So this will take some time. So for this, just enter everything that you have, like this email, address, phone, and all that, as well as the logo. For me, I'll just skip that. So let's click on this. And then from in here, it will actually ask you what theme you like. So for me, I'll just choose in Basil, then click on next. Then after I have done that, this will load again. And then this will show you some things that you think that is actually good. So it will prepare homepage design that they have personalized for you. So on this homepage design that they present, just choose one that resonates with you the most. So once in here, you can just choose the one that you have or that one that you want. So for me, I will just choose this one and click on next. Then after that, it will begin creating my entire website. So let's just wait for that right here to load. So in here, you can see that they have actually created my website. Under this pages and menu right here, you'll be able to see the home as well as the portfolio. So when you click on the portfolio right here, you should be able to see in here every portfolio that you have. So in here, since we are a journalist, we actually have some posts or some articles that is integrated in this one. So in here, it totally depends on what kind of portfolio you want. If you want a graphic portfolio, you can click on add elements and then add some images you want. If you have a portfolio for website design, you can integrate specific applications in order to show some preview of your work. It totally depends on you. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to create an e-portfolio on Wix. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.